Did you think you saw the last of my Fabfitfun? I got more. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Fabfitfun, when they do their curated, when they do their box, seasonal box, they also have some curated boxes. So there's a variety of things from, I would say all the categories, but I did notice some of these had like maybe 2 from category 1 and nothing from category 3. So from their different categories, they kind of put it together in a theme. And so for me, this is a great way to get a lot of the extra add-ons that I want without having to pay as much. So I'm just getting the whole box. Prices have gone up, so it's not as frugal as it used to be. You know, back when they first started this and this box was like a $54.99 add-on. Now it's, I think, a $70 add-on or $65. I'm not really sure. I don't like to think about those things. And full of great items. So I did get 3 in total. I showed you guys 1 already. That was, I think they called it the gift box. So let's see which one this is. All right, here is your sneak peek. And I feel like this one was called Getaway Box, maybe? I don't know. So there was only 1 item in here that I really didn't care about, and that's the first one I'm going to show you. And that is this travel pillow. All right, it's very pretty. I just don't travel. And, you know, it's in a U shape, so you put it around your neck. And then it has some little snaps so that you can close it up and, you know, make it nice and small and fit in your bag if you're traveling. My daughter's, it's a memory foam. I remember that this was like a very good memory foam. And my daughter is going to be going with my husband to visit his family this summer. I'm going to stay home and watch the dogs. And so, you know, maybe she'll like this. I don't know. Maybe he'll like this. He gets on the plane and he's like out. It's an hour-and-a-half flight, but he's like, the minute that plane takes off. We went to Hawaii, 11 hours. I was up the whole time. He was snoring. All right. So next by Machete is this hair clip, which I wouldn't have added on, but I thought was super cute. So I'm glad to have it. So it's got this, I think this is called the Jade or Jadeite, but it's got these beautiful kind of green patterns in there. I don't know how well it's bringing that out a little bit. And it's just a nice hair clip. So I'm excited for it. By Earth Harbor is their Samphire. This is their Biotic Resurfacing, or Biotic Perfecting Serum. See, I don't have my glasses on. And this is a great company. They're cruelty-free, female-founded, vegan, for all types of skins. I mean, there's just a lot of good stuff behind this company. And here is how this looks. I believe I've used this before and really enjoyed it. I've used a lot of their products and I've really liked it. And one of my sisters also really likes it. Like I had like extras and I was like, you know what? I got so much stuff. I'm just going to give her this whole line because I think it's something that she'll really like. And she did. She loves it. So if I do have one of these at home, I'm probably going to pass that along to her for her birthday. All right, next, I was so excited about this. This actually matches the spring collection. So this is by Swell, and it's a snack food container, but I mean, it's much bigger. I thought it was going to be tiny. Honestly, I did not think it was going to be this big. So it has a silicone top, and then it's stainless steel. That being said, I don't know how cold it keeps things. And how well that lid stays on. Like I definitely wouldn't put a liquid in there, but you could put like yogurt and blueberries in there, and I think it would probably retain some of its cool, I would think. But it matches the lunch bag, not lunch bag, the bowl, which I have one for me and one for my niece, and the bottle, which was much bigger than I thought it was going to be. And I wasn't going to get it, but it came in one of these boxes. So, all right, next by Amika. Now this would have been 1 choice, not 2 choices, but we have the Mirror Ball High Shine Protect Antioxidant Shampoo and Conditioner. And you know I love hair stuff. My hair today is looking a little flat, but love hair stuff. And then the last thing in here is another thing that I don't need another one of, but it was so stinking cute. And I have this whole collection, so why not add to it? This is the Business and Pleasure Insulated Tote. All right, so it's got a nice insulated lining. It's a nice size. And where I live, you have to bring your own bags to the grocery store. You have to pay for 10 cents for a paper bag that you're just going to throw out because they're so stinking cheap. Like, they'll rip as you're walking out of the grocery store. So, yeah, always useful. And I just thought it was so cute. And, you know, I mean, you could also, like, let's say you were doing, like, something at work, like doing a potluck or something. It's a great size for that. All right. And this was definitely category 1. I do remember that. Everything else, I don't know. But I'll have it up there for you. All right. Well, what was your favorite item in this box? Let me know. And did you get any of these items in your box if you got this box? Or would they have been items that you would have chosen? All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.